I respect their choice to be petty, but they also to know that humility is not cowardice. Neither is silence a sign of ignorance. Mr. Speaker, I have lived long enough to witness even darker moments when faith in our democracy and values have been severely tested. Nevertheless, I remain optimistic of better days ahead for our nation. However dark it gets, the sun of freedom and justice shall soon shine again over Kenya. Mr. Speaker, in my struggles with the powers of darkness, especially during the past 1 week, I rejoice in my tribulations. Harboring hate against them would work in their favor. Therefore, I freely forgive those who have crucified me. If I don't forgive them, they will have succeeded in pulling me down into their dirty underground moral dungeon from where they cook their hopeless schemes.